We have some good news today in the fight against pancreatic cancer. Seasoned cancer researchers call a new drug a breakthrough in treating one of the deadliest forms of cancer, pancreatic cancer. So this new drug attacks the way that the cancer grows and spreads, and it has shown remarkable promise in clinical trials. Charlie Wojciechowski is joining us here from our newsroom. Charlie, the results were just announced this week in Chicago. Why is that part notable?
Well, it's notable because that's where a major conference is going on right now at McCormick Place. They were presented at the annual meeting of the people who do treat cancer, and they literally brought a standing ovation from the doctors there, the professionals in the room. Some are calling it a game changer for pancreatic cancer. And we talked to one woman who was one of the first to get the drug more than 2 years ago.
I feel great, Charlie. I just keep living each day the way I always have, and I try not to overthink what I'm going through.
Debbie Orcutt stopped responding to chemotherapy to treat her pancreatic cancer in April of 2024. That's when her doctors at the Dana-Farber Cancer Institute started her on a clinical trial of daraxonrasib, a new drug that treats her cancer in a different way.
The only change has been that it has my cancer levels or measures have been going down. The tumor has shrunk by 70 or 80%.
Those results were announced this week at the American Society of Clinical Oncology's annual meeting in Chicago.
I've been treating pancreatic cancer for 16 years, and the crowd erupted when we saw that survival curve. It was amazing to be in that room. I got goosebumps. I started crying. It was one of those moments where we thought, wow, we have absolutely seen something monumental.
Monumental, Dr. Rachna Shroff says, because it is simple, 3 pills a day and highly effective.
We have never really seen something that doubles survival, which is what this pill does in this study that was just presented.
While this new drug is being used for the treatment of pancreatic cancer, it has enormous implications for the treatment of other cancers as well.
This drug alone is being tested in other cancers in which the RAS signaling pathway plays an important role. So colorectal cancer, lung cancer, so the big ones in terms of incidence.
Studies on those cancers are already underway, and the first wider trials of the drug could start later this year, giving new hope to patients like Debbie and the 500,000 people diagnosed with pancreatic cancer worldwide every year.
Tell them to have hope and never, ever give up on that. Try to keep a positive spirit.
Now, while not fully approved, the FDA has granted its breakthrough therapy designation to this drug, and it's making it available to eligible patients while the full regulatory review process is fast-tracked. Mary, Alex, back to you.